case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Robert Blinn's relationship with his former employer, Beatrice Community Hospital and Health Center, took center stage in a 2006 case heard by the Nebraska Supreme Court. The core of the lawsuit was a promise, Blinn claimed, that had been made by Beatrice for him to serve as an employee for at least 5 more years. Blinn says he banked his future on this promise, turning down another job offer based on Beatrice's assurances of the permanency of his position. In Blinn's testimony, he narrated how Beatrice gave him the impression of having at least 5 more years of work to do, ultimately gumming his wheels on a job opportunity in Kansas. In response, Beatrice pointed to the lack of a written contract, suggesting the claim was baseless. The district court sided with Beatrice, dismissing Blinn's breach of oral contract claim and casting off his claim of promissory estoppel, a legal principle holding a promisor accountable when a promisee relies on the promise to their detriment. The story, however, didn't end with the district court's decision. Taking recourse to an appeal, Blinn found a ray of hope in the Nebraska Court of Appeals, who overturned the lower court's judgment, citing a genuine issue of material fact on promissory estoppel. Yet this flicker of hope soon dimmed as the Nebraska Supreme Court opined that the Court of Appeals had erred in its analysis. While the Supreme Court agreed with the Court of Appeals that Beatrice may have breached their promise, they did not see enough evidence to suggest Beatrice had intended to offer Blinn a unilateral contract. The Supreme Court upheld the dismissal of Blinn's breach of oral contract claim, but found the district court had erred by dismissing Blinn's claim of promissory estoppel. As such, the case returned to the Court of Appeals, not for a full victory lap, but for a partial affirmation and a partial reversal, sending a clear message that even in the absence of written contracts, meaningful promises carry weight.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class